curled out a little bit. Do you see that? Just going right through. Beautiful. I'm gonna have a good day at work. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ari and I'm back with another video. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get straight into this video. As y'all can tell by the title, this is my 1 year update. It's like a year and some months since I've actually purchased the hair, but 1 year since I made my very first initial review. So I'm gonna sit here and curl my hair and give you guys all the specs and everything that I like. And I also need to back the camera up because like my whole head is cut off, so I need you guys to see every single thing. But this is the hair before I back it up and start curling and everything. I'll show you guys the ends. I haven't even brushed it. I just took my bonnet off and was like, eh. But yeah, that's my ends. Everything still is looking good, but I'm gonna get into detail and let's just get straight into it because I have to curl my hair and I'm actually getting ready for work, so it's gonna be a really quick short video. So I just want to start with the price of the hair. Wait, why am I curling on that side? I always start on this side. I want to start with the price of the hair. I paid $360 in total, and the 3 bundles were $340. I actually have not been back on the website. Oh my gosh, should I show you guys real quick like what it looks like? I haven't brushed it yet. I just took my bonnet off. That was my first brush, as y'all could hear. But this is what the hair looks like. It still looks really good. I got it installed 2 weeks ago. Of course my dog is barking, sorry. But yeah, it just looks so good. Still flat, still pretty, still can run my fingers through it. I just need to get into a few specs that I would like to add. Yeah, so let's just get started on curling. So the price, like I was saying, was $345. I'm not sure what it is now for 3 bundles, but I got the 3 bundle deal and it was $345, and then shipping was $15. Dang, my voice just shook so bad. But yeah, it was $15, so it made my total $360. And it came so fast. This hair, every time I buy this hair, this is actually the only company that I consistently purchase from. And I bought from one company before and I hated the hair and I never went back. And that hair took a long time to come. But this company always comes so fast. Like, I don't know what it is, but like, you want your hair, you're gonna get it. Okay, so the lengths that I got are 20, 22, and 24. And I just think that they are the most beautiful bundles ever. Sorry, I'm trying to show y'all the curl that I just did. So pretty, so bouncy, and so zoomed in. Okay, that should be better so you guys can see the curls. Super light. The hair is still so shiny and so pretty. Like, literally, I just, ooh. Why am I saying that? Well, because my real hair got in there. Also, it just blends so well with my real hair. I love it so much. I wish my head wasn't getting cut out, but the setting just will not let me not be cut out of it. So yeah, the hair literally does not shed. And I don't know why, like on my last video, a lot of people were like, the hair sheds, it just, not this video, the first video I posted about it. They were saying like the hair sheds so much, but I'm like, I just am not getting that. Like, I don't know what it was, but my batch, whatever batch I had purchased, just did not shed. But I won't say that I haven't experienced other friends who purchased the hair whose hair were shedding, or like, you know, just had that weird smell. But that does lead me into the next thing. My hair literally has no smell to it, which is something that you look for in hair. Like, you don't want to be walking around or just pressed your hair out or curled it and you're like, I smell myself. Like, I just don't get that. I don't know what it, and it sounds so forced. Like, it's, I mean, no, not really, because it's my experience, but everybody was saying like, I don't know how these people are saying this, but like, you're looking at the hair for yourself. And I just didn't have that experience. But, and this is like my 3rd time buying with this company. So here's the other girl. Yeah, so I will say though that although it didn't shed, it did tangle when I would curl my hair. And since this is my first install back since the last time that I had it installed, I've of course been doing things differently. But I was telling my story in the last video that I posted was like, I would curl my hair super tight and then put flexi rods in it, and literally wake up, take the flexi rods out. I'm trying to get this last piece. wake up, take the flexi rods out, and the hair literally, if it blows in the wind or like just did any movement, it would like tangle into each other. And it was so bad. I was just like, I'm just gonna, now why did that just happen? Does that happen to anyone else? That literally just went into the crack of the flat iron. Anyways, I was like, I'm just cutting this out because it was that bad of a tangle, and I really did not like that. I've never experienced that with hair before. I didn't even know that was a possibility for it to tangle into itself, but I wish I could show y'all. And I had to cut a good length off of whatever the pieces were. But yeah, so that was something I was just like, absolutely not. But only when it was curls, like really tight, you know, when you put your hair in flexi rods and they're like just this 24 inches was up at 18. It was so short and together. One thing I also did differently this time with this install, which was my pre-wash, because I haven't washed this hair yet since I got it installed. This is my second week. Yeah, I was using like, well, usually I use the organic brand, or OGX, if y'all know what I'm talking about. It's like the brown bottle. But this time, the last one I was using, what is that called? The Suave Professionals one. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking, like Suave, I don't know. I was using it on my real hair too, like and literally my hair was just not growing, so I don't know what I was thinking, but I finally switched. But this time, the point of me saying all that was this time I washed it with I didn't have any organics again, so I washed it with the Shea Moisture Manuka Intensive one. I'll upload a picture right here, what I'm talking about. And I literally think that it was just so perfect for this type of hair. Or like, it's the Brazilian straight, but like literally they just look so good. I think okay, so I'm gonna curl this side and I'll come back for final details on this side.
Not sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up a four and I feel like myself again. Blow me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies who used to be my friends. Pull me up a four and I feel like myself again. Blow me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I was sober for an hour, but I'm rolling off a bean now. The drugs, they give me confidence, I'm saying what I mean now. The Xannies help me slow up, the leaning help me speed down. Ballin', yeah, I'm ballin', I'm gon' hit it if she beat now. Calling, yeah, she calling, your bitch.
Okay, so I have this side done, and majority of this side, just one piece left. But before I move on to the last little specks of the hair, I just wanted to show you that this, I want to say, is the 20, and it comes to here still. And then this is the 24, and it's in the back, and it's coming still. Very, very long. So there was no like chipping away at the hair, like everything still looks good. And I guess since it's like still super tightly curled and it's like in uniform, I can show you the ends. They just still look so good, so shiny. Do you see that shine? Literally, I just love this hair so much. Like, I do not ever want to get rid of it. Okay, so I'm gonna curl this last little piece, and then I gotta do my edges and everything. But I'll probably do that off camera because I'm almost done talking. So yeah, lastly about the hair is would I buy it again? And I guess as y'all can tell by my review, I'm like, hell yeah, I'll buy it again. Like, I love this hair so much. It's my favorite hair company. Let's just go ahead and do this last curl because I also have to get out the door and go to work. And I'll show you guys the final product. I don't want to take it down. Oh, that's my have you not woken up alarm? But I woke up early so I could do this video. Okay. So let me do my edges first. Okay guys, I just completed my hair and my camera's literally about to die. Thank God this was like a quick video. But this is the outcome. I just brushed the curls out a little bit. Do you see that? Just going right through. Beautiful. I'm gonna have a good day at work. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If this hasn't sold you on like just go buy the hair, I don't know what more I could say or like how much more I could show you. But if you guys have any other ideas of what you guys would like to see from me, please leave them in the comments below. And thank you guys so much for watching. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, share this video because it really helps my channel a lot. And thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.